We're on the record now.
Good afternoon. In the matter of Horodesky versus Johnson, case 06D349743. We are all here. Welcome, everybody.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Mr. Carmen, your bar number, sir.
Bar number is 7639, and I offer my sincere apologies to Your Honor. I'm not sure how, but somehow this was on my calendar for 3:30, so I appreciate your marshal calling, and I'm so sorry for holding you up.
You know, that has never happened to me. I've never done that.
It's very rare.
I get it. I know. I get it. Okay, and Ms. Robinson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Amber Robinson, bar number 10731, on behalf of Amber Johnson, who's present with me in my office.
Okay, welcome to everybody, and we are here for a status check regarding the return from FMC, the child interview. Did everybody have an opportunity to read it?
I have had an opportunity. I don't know if Chris has read it yet, but I am prepared to argue.
My client has read it. I have not received a copy of it, Your Honor, so I was going to ask for just 5 minutes if the court could email it to me. I'll read it real quick.
Well, I can do that, but that doesn't help Mr. Horodesky. How inappropriate is it if I were to just read it off the record to y'all?
That's fine with me.
Is that okay?
I think that would be okay. I am concerned. I didn't know whether the court had read it or not at this point. I have some concerns and some real concerns actually about the child interview and about how it proceeded.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go off the record, and I will read it to y'all. Actually, you know what? Let's go in a sealed room. This is not a sealed case, but let's go in a sealed room for purposes of reading, of having me read this confidential report to y'all. Okay? We'll go off the record, and then after I'm done reading it, we'll go back on. So there won't be any argument or discussion about it when I'm reading it and when we go off the record, okay?
Well, in Your Honor, I mean, it is hearsay from a child, and I'm objecting to its admissibility. I'm not sure if the court should read it, and I'd like to make an admissibility objection.
Well, I'm not admitting it. It is an offer of proof, and It is a mechanism, as you well know from hundreds of cases, that is utilized by the family court. It is a service that's provided to the family court and by the family court. And I ordered it, and everybody was here present. So we're going to do this. I will read it, and then you can make your objections and your arguments on the record. Okay? All right, so we're going to go off the record. We're going to go to a breakout room off the record. Then we're going to go back to the main room here, and then we'll go back on the record. Okay? All right, stand by. We're going off the record temporarily.